Hello there, fellow chalkers. Happy Friday night. It seems that on Friday nights I'm down here in my little room crafting, and I wanted to show you some different transfers on different backgrounds. So this is a white canvas. I don't think I've done too many videos where the background was white instead of being on a chalkboard. So I thought I'd show you what I do. So this is a canvas. It's a stretched canvas on a board by Matt Michaels. It's not the stretched canvas that's stapled over a frame. I prefer these kind because then I frame them in like this is a 11 by 14 frame. But I just buy frames and I frame them in those. I like that look better than the canvas, the stretched canvas look around the edges. I like the cleanness of the frame. So this particular sign or transfer is the home and the family. And it's the definitions. And home is a place where you can rest your head and your heart and everything feels safe. The place where the people you care about live, where you are not alone. And family is a group of people who genuinely love, trust, care about, and look out for each other. A real family bond cannot be broken by any means. So this is one transfer, and it comes with both pieces. And I think I feel really nostalgic about this transfer because my oldest is getting ready to go away to college. So I'm feeling kind of nesty, I guess, in the homeness. Who knows, maybe I'll send these off to him with college. Yeah, he'll roll his eyes at me and say I'm crazy, but that's okay. But this is one of the transfers I actually bought to do in my own home, and I've done them many times and sold them and have yet to actually hang one in my own house. So tonight, that is my goal. I'm making this sign. I'm sitting on a towel, sorry. I'm making this sign for myself to hang in my home so that I have it because I love this. Love this. So let's get started. Peel it off from the back and put it on. So this is the canvas, and I did not have a lot of luck with canvas in the beginning. It's very easy to bleed on canvas through the silk screen. So I learned that the way to do it is to use a product called gesso. It's a medium that you put on the canvases when you get them. And so I just paint a bunch of them at once and let them sit. You have to let them sit for 24 hours before you chalk on them. And then ever since then, I've had no bleed. So I've been really happy. It's not super inexpensive, the gesso. I think it was maybe $12 for the bottle. But I have a very little bit goes a long, long way. So I've had good luck with it, making the bleeding stop. So as you all know, what I'm doing right now is I am putting the transfer down and getting the air bubbles out. So I just have it lined up. The one thing I have learned about this transfer is because it is all these little tiny words, it is really easy to get a bleed on this one. So I really try to make sure that I have every single letter gone over. And I like this just in black and white. So this is a quick one. Shouldn't take very long, and hopefully you're not gonna, I'll say that in then 12 minutes from now you'll still be watching me. But just squeegee on. This is black paste. The other thing I find about the black paste compared to the white paste is it's super runny compared to it. And they say it's because the white has no pigments in it for color, obviously. And the more pigments you put in the chalk, the thinner the paste gets. They all work the same, but I have found that sometimes I open up the black and leave it open for a little while before I chalk because I don't want, I think you have more of a chance of a bleed because it's so thin. Whether you do or not, I don't know, but that's just how I think. So I am just squeegeeing this on, taking off my excess. Because I'm doing this on a canvas fabric, I did not have to fuzz. Anytime you do fabric or canvas, something that's not porous, you don't have to fuzz it. Done. Was that fast? Well, let's see. We'll pull it off and see if it was really that fast. Looks pretty good. It kind of has that, I'm just putting my transfer in my water, which you can't see because my little screen doesn't want to go that far. Kind of has that typewriter-ish look. Oh, I love this. And I have it on my fingers, so I don't want to get it on. So, voila, it's done. What do you think? Then what I do is I just simply put it in a black frame, and I'm going to hang it on my wall. I will take a picture of it, maybe, when it's done, and show you in the frame so that you can see it. I am busy crafting tonight, so I'm sure you'll see more than one video of me. But let me know if you have any questions. This is the Family in the Home transfer, and it's just on white canvas. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great night.